New Block Blast hack in 2025. First of all, open the Block Blast app on your phone. You will see a adventure or classic mode. Tap on classic mode. So whenever you do a finisher move or move that look like this, where you are solving a bunch of blocks, you are gonna want to immediately move on to the next one and then hold it wherever. So as you can see, I was at 2000 point, so that you can get the best amount of point, and also make sure that you have this pink heart going on in your square. And how do you actually get the pink heart? Well, now I am gonna show you. So make sure that you solve 3 blocks in a row. I am gonna show you how I mean that we go. I am just gonna keep adding these until we get a solve. So unfortunately I died in the previous one, but let's continue. How do you get the pink heart? Well, as you can see, I did one solve and now this is my second, and then let's go for a third, and now we have to a pink heart. So basically you are gonna want to get 3 row in a row. If I put this, it's going to get a bigger and bigger. The heart keep getting bigger, so basically you want to keep getting these hearts so that you can have a multiplayer and get better score. Now if you get 3 blocks in but you did not really achieve anything, as you can see the heart disappear and you have to go back to 0%, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Tutorial Tech. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.